Do you think the Fed will grant them their wish? And what effect will it have on gold and silver?
That is a very difficult question to answer because the issue has become so politicized with Donald Trump leaning on Jay Powell to cut rates. Now, the inflation rate in the United States is way above the 2% level, which is, if you like, the target set by the Fed. Now, on that basis, he shouldn't cut rates. But against that, I think Trump would probably claim that the jobless figures that we saw last week were worse than expected. And I'm sure he will argue that current rates are basically killing the US economy. So you can see that I think that the FOMC has a very difficult decision. It's going to be walking a very narrow line. It can fall off one way or the other. So we don't really know. I think if I was in Jay Powell's position, I think I would have to take account of the politics as well as the economic and inflation situation. So I would be tempted to have a quarter point cut now, in other words, in September, and leave it at that for the moment. And maybe in the statement say that, in the FOMC statement, say that it is premature to think of further interest rate cuts, given the rate of inflation holding above the Fed's target of 2%. And I think that's probably what I would do if I was him.